Here's a quick one. This is a 2022 Camaro convertible. Now, I don't know if it matters if it's a convertible, but this one is, so I figured I'd mention it. The customer complaint was driver's front. We had water on this mat and water under the carpet. Upon water testing this car, I saw, if you can see that wire right there, the plastic little panel cover behind it, water was coming out from under it, which indicates it was coming out from under in that cavity right there. All right, that's usually something, you know, windshield, A-pillar, behind the fender, any number of things. Now, this is a almost brand new car, so I figure it's got to be a factory goof, missing sealer, grommet out of place or something. So I'm going to tell you what I found. So now we're up here at the left front fender, and as you can see, there's the bottom of the windshield. What I found was I could pour water up in here where I'm pointing here, and it would leak in there, and I mean like pretty quickly. So, you know, it could have been something out this way, it could have been something back up in there. You know, it turns out is up, and you'll never be able to see this, so I'm gonna have to just point it to you. So here, for reference point, here's your hood hinge, follow back, and there is the windshield, right? So this is right under the cowl panel. There's the cowl panel. Right under the cowl panel, there is a body seam right under there. You see where this disappears? All right, it had a little seam skip, so when I would take a hose, and like a small hose, and just jet a little water under there, it would leak immediately. So I cleaned that, sealed it, no big deal, and that has stopped the leak. So anyway, if you have a 2022 Camaro with a left front floorboard leak and nobody can find it, that might be what it is. Now, this is a convertible, but I don't know that the cowl is built any different on a convertible versus a hardtop, but it might be. There are different things about convertibles. Anyway, 2022 Camaro, left front floor leak, missing seam sealer right up under here. This is inside the fender, inside the little crumple zone structural piece here, and basically right behind the hood hinge, right up under there. So there you go.